What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have another clothing haul. This is the second clothing haul I have filmed today. That's dedication. It's taking me back to like OG YouTuber Amy days because I literally used to film like 3 videos in one day within 4 hours. Back when I worked at Target and I went to college, I used to film 3 videos in one day before I'd go to class. Anyways, today I am going to be doing another clothing haul. This one is with Nasty Gal. I do want to mention this video is sponsored by Nasty Gal. They're another one of my absolute favorites to go shop, refresh your wardrobe, and not have to like spend a ton of money. I love being able to get pieces that are really good quality. Like these items are good quality, but you don't have to go and spend like so much money. They also have so many sales, which makes it great. So the really cool thing with Nasty Gal is they actually have a feature called Afterpay, which allows you to make your purchase, buy the items you want, but pay in 4 installments, and there isn't any extra charge, no interest. As long as you pay your payments on schedule and on time, you're not gonna get any extra charges. I absolutely love that because I know how hard it can be for some of you guys. If you want an item or if you need an item, maybe you need to get Christmas gifts for people. December, Christmas is coming up. So maybe if you need to get Christmas gifts and you know your check is not coming in time, you can go ahead and make these purchases and just make sure that you stay on schedule and make your payments. I think it's a great feature to have. It's not like you're spending a ton of money on these items. You're getting these pieces for a really affordable price. So you know you're getting a good price, and if you need to, you can pay it within 4 installments. So I think it's great that they even offer that feature. I think a lot of you guys are gonna really love that. Again, like I said, especially with Christmas coming up, if you need to get anybody Christmas gifts, I know how hard this time of year can be for a lot of people. So if you need to get anybody Christmas gifts, what better than getting them a gift from Nasty Gal? I have a ton of items to share with you guys today. A lot of them are sweaters. Like I have a lot of sweaters to share because I feel like that's the main thing I tend to go for winter and fall. Plus I kind of was getting pretty bored with my closet, like my wardrobe. I just wanted to change things up. Actually not change things up because it's still my style, but like I just wanted to refresh. So one of the pieces that I want to share with you guys is this really cool kind of like corduroy button down that I got. It's really similar to the one I shared with you guys in my last haul, but I like this one because it is a little bit of a darker color. So it's more of like this stony nude. I think it's so nice because if you are really cold and it's a colder day, you can kind of button it up and you wear it super like oversized, straight, easy style with like no styling, or you could style it up like how I did today and just wear it off the shoulder. I buttoned it and then I tied it at the bottom here. So I think it's great. There's so many, this is so versatile. Like this top is so versatile. It's also oversized, so it just gives that really lofty, chill, oversized vibe, which I absolutely love. So you could pair this with some leggings, which I think would be my favorite way to pair this would be with a pair of leggings, to be honest with you guys, like some nice form-fitting tight leggings or some really casual soft ones. And then I just rolled up the sleeves, paired it with the white tank top, and you're good to go. You could put a black underneath this, you could wear it with nothing. Like there's just so many ways you could style this, and I just thought it was nice and different. I don't really own too many pieces like this. Also, I did forget to mention that I am gonna be linking all of the items I mentioned in today's video in the description box down below. I am gonna be receiving a small commission from those links. So if you guys do choose to shop through them, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart in advance, because that obviously helps support me and my channel. So I really do appreciate that. But I'll also leave these size references down below as well. So the next piece I want to share with you guys is another nude item. I feel like I got quite a bit of nude pieces, but this sweater I really, really, really love. This one is not quite an oversized loose fit. It's more of like a, not fitted, but like not oversized type of loose style, slightly more fitted with the turtleneck, and it is so soft, like so incredibly soft. When I got this in the mail, I was so excited, like unboxing my pieces and feeling this. I was just like, oh my God, I cannot wait to wear this. I also got it in black because again, you guys know me, like if I like an item and I see it online and I like it, I'm like, great, I'm getting it in like every color. So here is the black one. I mean, it's the exact same thing, just in black. I absolutely love black sweaters because I feel like they're so easy to wear in the fall and winter. You could easily pair this with a pair of jeans and you're good to go. You guys know me, I'm probably gonna be pairing a lot of these items with sneakers, but I did get some really cute boots. I'm gonna actually show them now since I just mentioned them. Okay, so how adorable are these boots that I got from Nasty Gal? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually fell in love with these. I saw them on the website, fell in love with them, but when they came in person and I got them in the mail, I was like, so happy that I actually added this to my order because they are so cute. Like they're just a little bit of like that biker boot, but not too biker, because you guys know me, my style is very simple and clean. So I like that these don't have like that many buckles or anything like that. The only design that they kind of have is, you know, the really biker style chunky heel, but then they do have a little bit of snake print at the back. So very subtle, very clean, very simple. They fit really nice. Like I'm really happy with the way that they fit. They're super comfortable. I did get these in a US size 8 because that's just like my true size. And they fit really nicely. Like look at how nice these are. They would actually look cute with this outfit too. So I did get a jacket from Nasty Gal as well, and I actually am so happy that I got this. I don't own anything like this, and I haven't ever purchased anything like this. This reminds me a lot of like Steph's style. If you guys follow my sister Steph on YouTube as well, or subscribe to her as well, she wears a lot of these type of jackets. Like I don't know if you can tell what I mean, but she does. And it has like that really soft like Sherpa teddy kind of feel. She wears a lot of those jackets as well with the zipper and like the pocket and everything. So it reminds me a lot of her style. But I think I gravitated towards it because it's black. Like I think it's really nice, and I'm actually surprised with how happy I am with it. When I tried it on, I was pretty pleased with it. Again, it's a little bit out, like I will typically more go for like the casual puffer jackets, but I don't know, I kind of really like this one. I was surprised with how happy I was with it. And what I like about this too is I feel like not super dressy items, but I feel like you could dress this super casual, or you could wear it out to dinner if you had to as well. Like it's a little bit versatile. It's definitely not super dressy, but like it's a little bit versatile in the sense where again, you could just wear it to run errands, or you could wear it to dinner if you had to. Like I actually really like it, and on the inside it is so soft. Like the quality of this jacket is really good. I just love how you can get good quality items for an affordable price and have the option to use the Afterpay feature and make 4 payment installations instead of having to pay it up front. You know, it's just really budget friendly. I absolutely love that because you can still get good quality pieces. So the next item that I got is this so adorable cropped oversized nude sweater, and it's like that knit look. This is definitely oversized. I think this is in the size medium. How adorable is this? Like seriously, I'm obsessed. I absolutely think it's the cutest thing in the world. I do love how it's cropped. And oh yeah, I forgot that piece came with matching leggings. Like, oh my God, I can't believe I forgot that. These leggings fit so good. When I got them in the mail and I tried them on, I was a little bit like skeptical because it's kind of hard for me to find pants that fit me right just because I'm 5'1", so they always have too much crotch room. Like literally the crotch is like all the way down here, and I have so much room because my legs are too short, and my torso, like the whole vibe is it's just off for 5'1" people. But these fit me really nicely, and they're so warm. They match the sweater, so I think that's so comfy. So it's kind of, I guess you would say, a lounge set since it matches. What's great about it too is you could wear it out. I honestly thought it looked really cute, but you could wear this around the house as well. Or if you're like me, my family, what we do a lot of the times is for Christmas, we just wear like lounge sets or like pajamas. Like we never get dressed up. So I feel like this is something I would wear on Christmas Day just to be super loungy and comfy, but still a little bit cute. So yeah, but to be honest with you, I'll be wearing this sweater separately as well. Like I would wear that sweater on its own with jeans as well as having the matching pants. So we have another lounge set because I just got suckered into how cute they all were, and I can't tell you how much I love this one. How adorable are these little, like I will say these ones are thin, so you can't really wear these ones like as much like in public, like, you know, like these are more for just lounging around the house. But look at how cute these are, and they're such a cute like mauve, like blush pink color. I'm in love with this top. I 100% will be wearing this top like on its own. So cute. And I can't tell you, by the way, how soft this one is. So soft. Like it's so soft, and I love the crisscross knit. So pretty. I usually don't wear this color as much anymore, but I can't lie, I'm kind of into it a little bit. I feel like this pretty mauve color with like nice nude makeup just looks so classic. Kind of reminds me of Carly Bybel because she loves this mauve color. And this is the cutest sweater in the entire world. I die. Nasty Gal, by the way, has some of the best lounge sets. Like seriously, I've noticed they have some of the best lounge sets, so definitely check them out. Then I got another blush colored item because again, I'm kind of feeling them lately. So this one is a super soft, like I can't even tell you how soft this is. Like you won't even need to wear a jacket with this. Like this is going to keep you warm. It is so soft and cozy, and it has this really pretty like ring zip, which I always really like that feature. You can open it up if that's how you want to style it, or you could obviously keep it all the way up. It kind of just depends on how I feel. Sometimes I do both. But I like this one. It's not super cropped. It's just so soft. I absolutely love this one. Look at Sugar Baby in the back. I think he's bored of listening to me talk about clothes. Sugar, me too, mommy. Me too, mommy. I love you. You stay, okay, baby? He wants attention. It's okay. He's a Sagittarius. So yeah, I am obsessed with this piece. It's so soft and it's so nice. What size did I get in this? Large. So I did get a large in this because I wanted it to be a really nice fit. I didn't want it to be fitted. I wanted it to have like that loose vibe. So then I got the same sweater in this cream white color because I thought this was really pretty and would be really gorgeous with some leggings. I have these really nice gray pants that I really like that I think this would look great with. So I got this in the cream color as well. So the last piece I want to share with you guys is this incredibly soft, like I am not even BSing you guys. This feels like I paid like $300 for it. I know that sounds insane. I'm not even joking. Like it is so incredibly soft and the quality is so good, yet the price is so right. Plus the option of Afterpay again. So I absolutely am obsessed with this piece. And I love how there's like a little bit of a V-neck, but it doesn't go down too much because it's gonna keep your chest warm. This is such a nice piece. It's almost like a nice two-tone, like if you guys can see it close up, it has like that two-tone nude. It has this very like chunky knitted look. Like, can I just take a nap on these items? Like I can't explain how soft they are. I am not even BSing you guys. Check them out for yourselves. And when you get them in person and you feel how soft they are and you yourself want to take a nap with them, holla at me, okay? All right, you guys, so that pretty much completes the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Honestly, Nasty Gal has such amazing pieces for such an affordable price. And of course, again, the amazing Afterpay feature, which will allow you to shop in advance, but pay in 4 installments and you don't have to pay right away. So of course, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.